The rise of AI in extreme sports, robots and humans teaming up. AI isn't just for tech geeks anymore, it's hitting the slopes and surfing the waves. Why did the robot snowboarder win the gold medal? It nailed every algorithm. AI in gear design, customizing equipment to match athletes' needs. Safety enhancements, detecting and preventing injuries during high-risk activities. Performance tracking, AI-powered wearables providing real-time feedback. Robots in training, partnering with athletes to simulate challenging conditions. Extreme weather forecasting, AI predicting conditions to ensure safety. Smart drones, capturing breathtaking footage of extreme sports events. Virtual reality, AI-driven simulations for practice without risk. AI coaches, using machine learning to refine techniques. Biomechanics Analysis, breaking down movements to enhance performance. Accessibility innovations, adapting sports for people with disabilities. Competitions with robots, AI competing alongside human athletes. Ethical concerns, balancing human skill with AI assistance. Future possibilities, integrating AI deeper into extreme sports culture. AI is revolutionizing extreme sports, enhancing safety, performance, and accessibility. Whether you're an athlete or a fan, the future of adrenaline-fueled adventures is more tech-savvy than ever. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe for more.